you're anything like me, you probably film way more reels than you actually post. Save as draft and you just forget about them. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to access your drafts so you can use those drafts and finally post those reels.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
There's a couple ways that you can access your drafts. One is to go into your profile and then to click on the Reels tab. Then you're going to see the drafts appear right there. So you can just click on those drafts and you can see all your drafts here. The best thing about accessing your drafts is that you can go back in and you can edit these videos. So I can click on one of my videos that I used. I can go edit and then I can click on that and then I can have those individual clips and I can still adjust them. However, the downside of this is that it takes up extra storage on your phone. So your drafts can quickly become 5 to 10 gigs of storage space taken on your phone. So what I suggest doing is going through your drafts regularly and just getting rid of anything that you no longer want to use. Or if you want to save space and you really like the edit of it, just save the video by clicking the down arrow with the line on the bottom. And then you're going to have the video saved like that. So then you can, when you upload it as a new reel, it's going to be a lot easier. So if you're going to upload it as a new reel, let's just exit out of this, let's discard, and we're going to go to plus, reel, and then we're going to swipe up, and you can see that's there. I won't be able to go into this and edit this reel anymore, but it is going to reduce the amount of space it's using in my drafts, or I don't even have to add it to my drafts. I could just have it saved out and then upload it whenever I'm ready to post it. So another way to access your drafts is when you're in reels like this and you swipe up. Instead of adding a photo or video from your camera roll, you have access to that drafts folder. The reason I like using it from this way is because I can easily go in and say I want to delete one. So I can easily go into one, I can edit it, or I can select one, click on it, and then discard it without having to go back into drafts. I'm not going to discard this because I've already cleaned up all my drafts, so I don't want to get rid of it. So I'm going to cancel that, and I'm actually going to create a new reel. So let's go swipe up, and this is that reel that we saved. Let's add that, and let's go to next, next, and let's save this as a draft so I can delete that draft and show you how. So I'm just going to swipe up on this. I'm going to go into my drafts, click select, select that one, discard that. Are you sure you want to discard? And there you go, that draft is gone. Your YouTube channel is going to help you drive more traffic to your offers and help you sell more. I've created a YouTube action plan to show you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel in less than an hour. Download my YouTube action plan now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.